I'm your host Jason. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create a photo slideshow on Canva. For example, you can see a photo slideshow right here. I'll be showing you how to create one similar to this, or if you'd like to create a photo slideshow similar to this option, you can also do that. All you'll need to do once on Canva, you can create an account for completely free. After you have created your Canva account, right below the search bar, I want you to tap on videos. After selecting videos, you're going to tap on create blank right here. After you have done that, you'll be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you're going to go over to the top left hand corner, and right where you see elements, you're going to tap right there. Once on elements, I want you to type in photo grid. So you're going to type in photo grid real quick. Then you're going to tap on enter. After you have done that, you can tap on see all right where you see frames. And then from there, you can see numerous frames that you can choose from. So you can select the frames that you would like to use. So for example, let's say I would like to use this frame. All I would need to do is tap on it. After you have tapped on it, you could simply pull it, for example, to the top right. So I'm going to be adding one photo right there, and then I'm going to be adding a second photo right here. But this second photo, I'm going to be adding it in a circle frame, as you can see right there. After adding the photos, all we'll need to do now, I'll be showing you how to add text. So I'm going to be using some copyright free photos. So I'm going to select elements once more, and then from there you can select, you can type in whatever you want, or you could select uploads, and from here you could upload your photos. But I'm going to be using some copyright free photos, so let me do that real quick. Let's say for example I were to add this one, and I'm going to add this photo right here. And also with this photo grid, you can also choose to change the color of the circle. All you will need to do is simply tap on the color box right here, and you could adjust the color of the circle, as you can see right there. So you can select any color you would like to use, as you can see there. Now if you would like it for the photos to move, all you'll need to do is simply select the photo. Then you could tap on animate from the top navigation bar, and you can see the different animation options. So you can see them right there. By going over to the left hand menu option, you can see the different animation options right here. So you can select whichever one of them you would like to use, as you can see there. So you can select one. So let's say for example I would like to use this one, and then for this photo I'm going to be using something else. Let's say I were to use this. After doing that, you can now add text. So I'm going to tap on text from the top left hand corner, and you can select the text box. And from here I'm just going to type in photo slideshow. So I'll do that real quick. So I can type in photo slideshow, as you can see right there. After you have done that, you can also change the font style. So I could change the font style to something else by tapping on Canva Sans. I could use a different font style. So let's say for example I wanted to use that one, and I also want to add animation to the text. All you need to do is tap on animate, and from there you can see different animations that you can add. My favorite one though is normally the text, the one that looks like a typewriter. So this one right here, typewriter. So I'm going to be selecting that one, and you can see how it looks. You can also change the background of the slide by selecting the entire slide. You could tap here on the color box, and you could add a color for the background. So let's say for example I would like to use that color. You could do that. You could also add a background photo or video if you want. Then you're going to select add page. After selecting add page, you could go over to the left hand menu option once more, select elements. Then from there once more you could type in photo grid, and you can select that right there. Then you can select the frames, and let's say for example you would like to use a different frame style. You can do that. As you can see, there are numerous options you can choose from. So let's say for example the frame style that we'd like to use this time is this one right here, or better this one. You can simply tap on it. Then from there, you can adjust the size by simply pulling along the end. And all you'll need to do now is simply drag and place the photos that you would like to use. So you can drag and place all the photos that you would like to use. So let me go right here and see all. And again, you can drag and place the photos in the grid as you can see right there. And it is as easy as that. After you have dragged and placed the photos that you would like to use, you can see how it looks right there. And again, you can also animate this if you want. So you can select each photo and you could tap on animate, and you could add an animation option as you can see right there. And in between the pages, you could also add transition by tapping on add transition between the pages. You could select a transition right there that you would like to use. So you can see the different options right here that you can choose from. Let's say, for example, we were to select color swipe, then we're going to be adding another page. So I'll tap on add page once more, and then from here you can tap on elements, and again you could type in photo grid, then you could tap on see all, and you could choose to use another photo grid if you want. So all you'll need to do is scroll down and you can select one. As you can see that it comes in various shapes and sizes as you can see right here. So it is completely up to you which one you would like to use. So for example, if you would like to use something like, let's say for example, we would like to use something like this, you could tap on it, and then from there you could pull it into position wherever you want, and you can simply drag and place the photo that you would like to use as you can see right here. And as I was saying earlier, you could also add a photo or a video as the background. All you'll need to do is select the background, and then for example's sake, let's say I would like to use this photo as the background. All you'll need to do is add it to the page, then tap on the three dots, then you're going to tap on replace background, and you can see that it has now been added as the background. Now if I were to play it, you can see how it looks. So let me do that real quick. You can see how it looks right there. And by the way, you can also adjust the duration of each slide by simply selecting the slide. You will see the timer at the top, and you can tap on edit timer. From here, you can either decrease the time by pulling it to the left, or you can increase the time by pulling it to the right. After you're finished, you can tap on play, and you can see how it looks right there. Once everything is to your liking, you are going to tap on share in the top right hand corner, then tap on download. Then from there you will select MP4 video and you're going to tap on download, and that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.